Hello, Market Club members everywhere. Adam Hewison here, coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. Well, it is Monday, the 19th of September. Hard to believe we're so far into September already, but we're looking at the S&P 500 cash. It's a daily chart, and you can see we sort of flattened out here just a little bit in the last several days. What's interesting to me is the fact that you are seeing on the RSI a divergence. And let me show you what that divergence is. You're seeing a move when the momentum is doing this, but prices are actually doing this. So again, this is a divergence potentially for a move higher. Now the key thing is with higher is you've got the monthly trade triangle, which is the long-term trend. Still very positive for this market. However, the weekly and the daily are headed lower at the moment. Now a move today in the S&P 500 over 2,151 would signal a potential resumption of the move up. And we need to clear this spot here to really get momentum going on the upside. That's debatable whether that's going to happen, but certainly a move over 2151 will take the downward momentum. It'll put it in more of a neutral position. But again, the 50 line is what we want to watch on the RSI. A move over that line indicates a resumption of the uptrend. And also watch our weekly trade triangles. That needs to turn green before momentum really kicks in on this index. Pretty much a similar pattern in the Dow. You can see we have the momentum coming down. This is a daily chart of the Dow 30. You can see we've got the market coming down like this and the RSI going sort of up, giving you the divergence. So prices come lower, but the momentum is not followed on the downside. So again, it's something to watch. Key level to watch on the Dow today is 18,250. If we go over there, then it'll take the downward pressure off this market and a challenge of the highs around the 18.6 level. So let's see how that works out in the next couple of days. We're looking at the NASDAQ. Now the NASDAQ is actually performing very, very well. Key level there is 5,287. If we go over that level, it'll turn the weekly trade triangle, which is red, positive into a green mode, indicating a very strong upward trend. So watch that very carefully, but again, it looks as though the market's trying to make that turn. A close, as I say, over this 5,287 really sets this market up to go much, much higher. So let's see how that plays out. This is October crude oil. You can see basically the trend. All of our trade triangles are negative, minus 100, strong downward trend. However, the thing to look at, in my opinion, is a little bit of a divergence again coming in the crude oil market. You can see prices are just sort of moving up like that, and we're moving down like that ever so slightly. So again, momentum is not following this. Not a lot of enthusiasm push this market down. A key today in crude oil would be 44.34. If we go over that level, this is the October contract we're talking about right here, it would indicate that the momentum, at least short term, has been foiled to the downside. Gold is very much trying to base out. It sort of like hasn't gone anywhere. We've got a trade triangle that's down on the intermediate, which is a trend moving down, and also on the very short term. Key level here to watch, in my opinion, is going to be approximately the 1,332. Let me write that down. 1,332. If we go over that level, it will take at least the immediate term trend reversal here and push that up, indicating a sidelines position, which could be the beginning of this market beginning to base out. We talked about the stock before, EOG. It's very volatile. Swings, big swings. We did recommend buying this last week, and it's come right back up over the level we talked about. Now the key here, in my opinion, is going to be the high that was seen on Thursday, and that is 92.39. So if we go over 92.39, let me write that down, this market will begin to get some real momentum to the upside. Again, it's really longer term, very positive on the weekly and on the monthly. Now that's the monthly right here, and that's the weekly, both very positive. So let's see how that plays out. One stock we've been friendly to is Kinder Morgan. Again, the key level on Kinder Morgan, in our opinion, is going to be this 22 level. If we close over 22 in Kinder Morgan, and we're quite a ways from there right now, we're currently trading about 50, 60 points away from there, but if we close over 22, 0.01. That to me would be a positive sign that we're trying to make a turn. We're very close to the 50 line on support, so let's see how that plays out again. But these stocks are longer term positive, and that's the important thing to look at. Look at the big trend. If the weekly trade triangle turns green, then it's all systems go. Hey, I'm Adam Hewson. Thanks for stopping by today. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. We always like to see you, and more importantly, thank you for your business. Have a great trading day, everyone.